Hey, hi everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing about how to design a Mario game. So as we all knew, of course I am a 90s kid. I used to play the Mario game. So as a designer, I was thinking a lot of times to design the complete game. So we'll be using the Figma tool to design the Mario game. Okay, so for designing a Mario game, the needs what are there which are useful to design are: one is with the background. Of course we'll be having the characters. Okay, so I have already drawn the characters, as you can see the Mario here. Okay, so and these are some couple of ducks as well, the princesses as well, princess is there, and of course the enemy. Okay, so I have we'll be wrapping it in only 5 to 10 minutes here. Why? Because so I already had designed the characters where I have designed the character of Mario and the princess with the enemy and some kind of obstacles. Of course we do have these what we say, dirt, trees and all, right, and with the background. Okay, so let's start how to most of the important is with the element where we will be pushing it hardly to get the food and all, right. So these are there. So what I had did is I have taken the screenshot of the Mario background where the Mario will run from the start to end point. Okay, I have taken the image of that, and then I have used the prototyping of it where I have mentioned the Mario will functionate from where I have given the prototyping here where this Mario will move to upstairs, upside with a click of S, and with a click of S he will return back with the delay. And these are the components where I have given the prototyping where it will function front and back. And as I have mentioned here, this game will start with the S and the Mario will jump using the space bar. This is the prototyping which I have given. Okay, let's design this thing. Okay, so as I have told you, I have taken the screenshot of this, so I'll be using it into the custom frame where I'll be using the clip content to make this thing. Okay, and then placing the Mario here, I'm keeping it in different frames. Why? Because to show you how I have been used these layers one on one. Okay, and then if we can using it, you can play the game. Let me play the game. So the components, using the prototyping I have designed this Mario game where I have taken the screenshot of the background with the prototyping of the elements. I have used the S button to jump and the S button to start and the space bar to jump. So let's say, as I have told you, to start I need to press the S. Okay, to jump I can use the space bar. So this is how you can design the games also in Figma. Okay, so of course, as I have told you, this is just for fun. As this is a screen, he will not fall down. Okay, so just to show you. And here at the last I have mentioned the prototyping where this of course our enemy will do the fire and the princess will be telling hello. This is how I did. If you do click on to this replay, we can again play the game. This is how we can design the Mario game in Figma in 5 minutes if we have already created the characters. Thank you.